I'll show you what mistakes you should not do while homing your pigeons. Come to my cage. These are very good pigeons. My favorite pigeon. It is one of my favorite pigeons. See, it flies on 8 to 9 hours. See, its size is very good. I leave it on the training cage now. This is the pair of it. This pigeon is the champion pigeon. It won the races 4 times. It flied from morning 6 o'clock to evening 5:30. It's a very good pigeon. I am leaving this also on the training cages. This is the pair of it. These are the small babies of those pigeons. That black one and the brown one. That black one and that brown one. It is the baby of this. Its baby is this too. I am leaving this also for training. Still, it can't fly properly as it is still small baby. This is the good pigeon, but this is very new pigeon, so I am not leaving it out because it flies out. I should put this in on the training cage, but not now. Next time. These are my show pigeons. Just for landing the pigeons, I use this, not for flying. Now I put this on the cages. When I want to train them, I put inside this cage in the morning, and I'll go when I return back from my school. I just leave them out. I fly them. I leave them. I make them to eat food over there. These are my pigeons. Very good pigeons. And the 5 mistakes we should not do when you train your pigeons are. First thing, you should not toss them very early. Impatience. They will not be trained still. They will not know their landmark where they should land. So it's a great big mistake. You lose your pigeons if you toss them early. They need at least 1 month, 1.5 months to train. And the second mistake is flying them when their tummy is filled. If their tummy is filled, they will not land on your home because. They will have no need of coming to your home. They can go anywhere you want. If you fly them before you feed them, they will be hungry and they land on your home as they know that you will give them some food for their hungry. If you keep them hungry, they will also know that you are where they will get food from. And the third mistake is you should not put small baby pigeons with the big pigeons as baby pigeons. You should not put small pigeons with the big pigeons, as big pigeons will not be knowing where to land on your home, so when they go away, the small pigeons will also go with them. You can put the big pigeons with the small pigeons, as most of the small pigeons land, and the big pigeons may also land at the same time. And the fourth problem is you should take care of them. You should water them properly. If you water them properly, you should not. They will not feel thirsty, and they will not land first. They may try to fly for longer period in the sky. And fifth mistake is keeping your homing pigeon homing cage at the right place. You should keep your homing cage on the top of your house where they can see your surroundings wherever they want. See, you can see it is at the right top of my house. They can see anywhere they want. So if you put inside this and leave it for 1 month, you should feed them, and this is only homing cage. You should put that at night in their own cages, so that they can know their own cages also. That's it. That is what you should do when you home your pigeons. Now I let my pigeons down. They can eat some food. They just had flight now and landed. So only I put into cages. Now I am putting them into the sending them down. This is my show pigeon. It is a very good pigeon. It also flies and it even rolls, but sometimes. These are the babies of those two pigeons. They are a little scared for flying because they are too young. This is of 5 weeks. There it goes. That's it. Thank you.